Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be how to cloth diaper a newborn. This is Noah and he just had a poopy diaper. I have cloth diapered our middle child, Mariah, for a year, and I did a first day cloth diapering to see what it was actually like and what I actually experienced to show it for you guys. A 6-month update and a 1-year update. And I'm going to show you how to do a cloth diaper fold for a newborn. I found 3 different types of folds because I had no idea how to exactly do it. And the one I was used to doing for Mariah, since I started with her when she was 6 months, it's a different fold than what I've been doing for him at 1 month old. I'm using all Alababy cloth diapers, which is the same diapers that I use for Mariah except just different prints. So I bought about 48 and received 48 from our baby shower. Kept everything the same because that's what I was used to. So they are the pocket diapers. So I'm going to show you guys how exactly I'm doing that fold and explain the differences that I've seen at least. Hopefully I can get this angle right so I can show you exactly how to do this. He is having a poopy diaper, so hopefully he's like done pooping. He's pretty patient because the first time I started cloth diapering him, like actually this week, he sat still for like a good 20 minutes and I was trying to figure out which fold will work best for him. He's now 9 pounds, but he was born 7 pounds 4 ounces. So I waited until this week to actually cloth diaper him. And that's our cue. Here is the cloth diaper we're about to use, and you can see where the arrows are is where we're going to match up our male to female part. So we're only going to make the rise setting to the second row instead of the bottom row. If you're not familiar with that term, basically it means how small you're going to make the cloth diaper around the legs of your child. So once everything is on the second row, we're going to fold the top of the cloth diaper down and then tuck the sides in around your baby. The left flap is going to come all the way over to the middle, and you're going to snap male to female parts to the remaining bottom parts, just like I'm doing right here. And there's only 3. Once the right side is tucked under your baby, you're going to bring the right flap, outer flap, all the way over to match and meet the other side. Snap in the male to female parts once again. This is what the newborn fold is going to look like. So it fits perfectly around Noah. Again, he's about 9 pounds now, so hopefully that's helpful in terms of weight. But there are 2 more ways, and I'm going to show you guys how to do a newborn or a baby fold depending on the weight of your child. Here is fold number 2. Now, if you guys remember, we did the rise setting to the middle row, and this time we're going to do it all the way to the bottom row. And this is actually the fold that I did for Mariah, considering she was 6 months old, so she weighed a little bit more than Noah did at the time. So again, this depends on the weight of your child. Here, we're just going to cinch it up again, all the way matching the female to the male parts, all the way to the bottom. And it should look like this, so you won't see anything left over at the very bottom. And then again, we're going to fold in the left and the right parts underneath your baby and bring both outer parts all the way to the middle 2 rows. Basically, they're going to be facing each other. And again, you're going to match up all the snaps from male to female parts. And again, there's 3 on each side here. So in my opinion, this is a simpler fold, which made it really easy for doing it with Mariah because everything just basically meets in the middle. But this fold in particular leaves a little bit too much leg room for him. So if you have a taller baby or a baby that weighs a little bit more or is a little bit older than Noah, then that fold might work better for you. For our third fold, we're going to leave the rise setting the same, which is all the way at the bottom, but you see where the arrow is, we're going to bring the left side all the way over to across the middle row. And then we're going to bring the right side overlapping the left side. So it kind of sounds a little confusing, but you guys can see right here. Basically, you're just overlapping the 2 rows instead of having them meet in the middle like we did for the second fold. This, I feel like, works better if you have a preemie, but again, I'm not sure. So using Noah as reference, he is 9 pounds now. He was born 7 pounds. So this particular fold is a little too small and too tight around Noah right now. So if any of these folds are helpful, especially with the weight reference, if it is helpful for you, let me know in the comment section down below. Check the description box, that way you see everything that I've been using. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave that down below in the comment section as well. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, thanks for watching.